This is the Inventor, 51 to 52 dB from 1 meter, without any adjustments. .48 dB at 1 meter. This is the Inventor at its lowest setting, with some tweaks, removing a cap and pushing against the container to stop vibrations. The compressor is a low hum. It's 43 dB from 1 meter. The Meaco.
Hey there people, what is up? My name is Josh. I'm going to do a quick review on this Meaco Dehumidifier. Now this is the 12 litre model. You can get a variety of these. Me and my partner decided to go for the 12 litre one. Filter in the back, you've got a few little compartments. This one's obviously the storage for the water. Again, that's 12 litres. You'll hear that beep when you unplug it. When you turn it on, pretty simple. Gives you just the duration. You can change the speed, you can change the close modes, you can set a timer, which we've done. You've got all these LEDs up here, super easy to use, really nice to obviously have. We use it for drying the clothes. It saves us a huge amount of electricity and the heating. So yeah, it's a really good product. We have had it for about 6 months now. Honestly, would have got this if we moved in from the very beginning. So for anyone who is looking for drying inside the house, getting mold out, anything like that, then definitely check out this dehumidifier. Thanks for watching, guys.